Don't move. Stop! Stop, man, just let me out. Stop, bro, shoot! Stop! Shot fired! Don't move!
Okay, high-speed video here. Let's see what we can learn from it. All right, so hopping into a vehicle with a perp, not generally a good move, but, you know, whatever it takes to get the mission done, not throwing any salt. But you've just got to think about the fact that you're going to give up a lot of leverage being in a vehicle that he's controlling. A vehicle is a lethal weapon in a force encounter, and that vehicle's moving and he's operating it, and all you're going to have on you, you're going to have options, but your firearm starts to move up in the scale of your force continuum, right? So you got to do what you got to do. Not throwing any salt, just these are considerations, right? Dude, in a moving vehicle, now you've got to get the job done. One of the things this actually reminded me of is a drill that we teach at our executive protection school, the League of Executive Protection Specialists, called the driver down drill, where we teach you how to take control of a moving vehicle if your driver's down. Not necessarily for this application, but it could still apply. Say your driver has a heart attack, or you're in a shoot and your driver gets hit. There are a number of different reasons why you may have to take over a vehicle while it's moving because the driver's down. This would be a very great place to know how to do that. You can do it with one person from the passenger seat or the front seat. And then third, for survivability, where is that vehicle going to go? What's your timing on placing those rounds? But at the end of the day, I just got to say, dude got in the vehicle, dude got it done, and it worked out for him. Much love and respect for this tactical protection review. Considerations on hopping into a moving vehicle with a perp. Let's go, gentlemen. Thank God for everyone who's out there getting it done every single day.
Boom, it's finally here. Go to protectornation.com to join the Protector Nation community. Learn online and become part of our Protector Nation family. I look forward to seeing you guys there and for us all to join forces to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. I'll see you there, and until then, be peaceful but not harmless.